Hello, and welcome to Chris Al's presentation of bowel sounds. When listening for bowel or abdominal sounds, you're going to move the stethoscope around the lower abdomen and listening for a gurgling sound every few seconds, between 5 and 30 per minute. You want to be sure to check each quadrant, listening to the different organs that are in the lower abdomen. If you hear any high-pitched sounds, that could be an abnormality. The gurgling is just the paralysis of the intestines or the stomach moving the food or any other bodily fluids throughout the body.